Hey, sports fans, it's Ron again. Um, Figured I'd film a few holes. I haven't done this for quite a while. We are playing our fifth tournament of the year, and it's at Augusta. It's our Masters. Um, First round. You see, we have pin 6. Conditions are soft, which means 5 yards less roll in the fairway. Is right there, and then calm winds, which are nice. And we use the major championships putting chart, and it's just a little tougher to sink putts. I think everything's all the ends are cut by at least one, if not two. So just makes it a little tougher. Ernie on the first hole hit way right. He had to hit around trees, and he hit a beautiful shot to within 10 feet of the pin, and he sunk it for a birdie. So, I mean, he's starting off with a bird. We'll see what he can do here as we go along. He's had a real up and down year so far. So here we go on the second hole. It's a long par 5 here at Augusta. And calm winds, let's see what the winds are. 15, so there'll be no wind. You can see up here on the calm winds chart, we don't hit wind till we roll 54 or higher. So no wind to worry about. Now this hole, like I said, we have 5 yards less roll in the fairway, but we also have shots landing in the fairway roll an additional 5 yards forward and 5 yards left. So that basically, the 5 yards forward cancels out the 5 yards less roll, so we don't have to worry about that. We just have to remember to go left by 20 or by 5 yards. And if you look here, Ernie's a 3, so he's going to be in the 260 to 275 range. So we got plenty of fairway to work with. So he's just going to let it rip. This is a gentle. The first one here is a gentle dog leg. So 63. Oh, he powdered it. That's what I was afraid of. So a 31 is 305, right 10, and 45-yard roll. Wow. Okay. Yeah, he's going to go in that trap. Tee shots landing in a fairway roll an additional 5 yards forward and 5 yards left. Okay, so first of all, 310. It's really dark outside. It's kind of raining. 310, right 10. 310, right 10, and then a roll of 45, I said. So it'll be only, I don't know, it'll be 45-yard roll, but I'm going to roll in that trap. I guess, some people might say, well, you get the roll left, so he's going to do it at the beginning, but that doesn't make sense to me, because then I could scoot by this trap, but that's not fair. So 310, right 10, and he's just going to roll in the trap right here. So what is that, 320, right 10. Let's see, he was on the green in regulation the first hole. Okay, so we are in a fairway trap from a long way away. This is a 200 marker. So it's 250. Let's move it back here. Back to the center line. Where's pin 6 at? Look at this green. Why? This is tough. Why isn't this focusing? There we go. This green is really small. We're at pin 6, which is right here. I think so. Yeah. Okay, so it's this center, this is where the green is measured from. So we got 255 to here. It's 260 to the pin. 5 yards to the carry of all second shots. We're in the sand trap. Yeah, just thinking here. We got a sand trap bunker, fairway bunker. Let's roll and see what happens here. 33 says normal lie from the fairway bunker, so we don't have to worry about any bad lies or anything like that. So what I say from the sand trap, or from 250, 25, I think, 255, 260, somewhere in there. That's a long shot. I don't think I can. Ooh, look at this. No, I'm gonna have to use a 5 wood. So I think we can, yeah, we can let her rip here. There are some traps in the front. I don't care if I go on those because I do have a couple sand points I can use. So from the sand here, we're just gonna let her rip and see what happens. 51's a good number for me. 51 is a 3. That's my average. I don't know if you can use that from the sand out. 230 left 15. 230 left 15. So 230. Let's move it up 5 here to, so 225, that'd be 550. Let's see here, we got, here's 550. I think I can use my average here. So and I'll take a left 10 and only a roll. Oh, we add 5 yards. Remember, we have to add 5 yards to the length of the shot. So that will take it up to 555. And from there, we have a roll of 5 in the fairway. But we subtract 5. Yeah, we subtract 5, so no rolls. Basically, looks like he must have hit a high shot. It's a little, yeah, I guess he hit it high out of the sand and plopped down. So actually, a very good shot for Ernie here. 555 left 10. All right, if he gets it close, he can go for another bird here. I never. 6, let's move it back to the center here. So he is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 yards. If we come over here, 25 yards from the fairway, I got a +5 and 4. He doesn't have a lot of those, so I think I'm okay. He doesn't have a lot of 4s. In fact, I'm looking, I don't see any 4s on his approach shot. So I think we're safe and not going over here. So let's see what we do. 42 is pretty good, I think. So 2, and that is going to be a -5. Okay, so we go up here to this point right here. It's -5. Go up to the black dot. So we're a diagonal away. That is 575 on the dot. He did get this in regulation. 20 minus 7 is a 13-foot putt. And here we go. Oh, that's not going to get it. 32-20 on a 13-foot putt. There's 10 to 14. 20, he's 2 foot. Leaves him 2 foot away from the hole. 43 is going to be good. The only way he can miss on a 2-footer would be, I think, a roll of 54. 43 is a 17. I know that's in. So just regular par 5 on the second hole here.